Good morning, teacher Lan. Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning, teacher Lan.
Good morning.
Microphone, turn mine.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you? Morning, Pajay. Morning, Kaupan. Morning, Kaupun. Good morning, Pink. Morning, Yok.
Morning.
Good morning, Min. Good morning, Ayun.
Good morning.
Good morning naman, 5. And what's that? Morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Kaupan said hi. Okay, we're going to listen to a song first while waiting for the others. So, yeah.
Get on over to numberrock.com for some very not boring teaching materials.
And ad-free videos.
numberrock.com. Get on over to numberrock.com for some very not boring teaching materials.
And ad-free videos.
numberrock.com.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
Good morning
teacher.
to those who just entered the room. Okay, today we're going to learn division. Do you know what is division? What is division? Kaupan, do you know division?
No.
Okay. Division is like repeated subtraction. We're just going to subtract a number or a group of number from another number again and again. Okay? So that is division. So let's try to understand it better. Okay, so let's continue. For example, a teacher puts 6 students into groups. We have 6 students. Let's count the students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, page. Wait a minute. 142. 142. Okay. So let's continue. A teacher puts 6 students into groups. There must be 2 students in each group. How many groups of students can teacher make? So teacher, for example, teacher Lance needs 6 students. So we have here Sin, Kaupan, Min, Earth, Ayun, and Gan, for example. So I need to make groups. Okay? In every group, huh? 142. 142.
Thank you.
Okay. So in every group there should be 2 students. Okay, so the question is how many groups are we going to have? Are we going to make? Okay, so here I need to put the first 2 students in a group. So we have now 1 group. 6 minus 2 equals 4. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4. After the teacher put 2 students into the first group, there are still 2, 3, 4. 4 students remaining. So after putting 2 people again in a group, we still have remaining 2 students here. 1, 2. Okay. And then after putting another 2 students in a group, there will be 0 students remaining. Okay, now how many groups are there? How many groups of students can you see in the screen? Min, how many groups are there in the screen?
3.
3, very good, Min. So we have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups of 2 students. Okay, very good, Min. Okay, so let's go. So this problem can be solved or can be written in a number sentence. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Okay, this is divided by, okay, let's change it first. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 here, kids, the 3 is called the quotient. Can you say? Quotient.
Quotient.
Okay, quotient is the answer in a division equation. 3. Okay, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 is called the quotient. Okay, so what is the quotient in 6 divided by 3? What is the quotient in 6 divided by 3? Let's try. Ayun, what is the quotient for 6 divided by 3? Ayun? Okay, can you say 2? Say 2.
2.
Okay, very good. The quotient in 6 divided by 3 is 2. Wait a minute. I need to charge my laptop. Wait a minute. Okay, so kids, the quotient is the answer in the division equation. Okay? So the quotient represents the number of groups. Remember, when we divide a number of objects into equal groups, we can find the number of groups by performing division. We can use division in grouping objects or people into equal groups. The next topic is division with 2-digit dividend and 1-digit divisor. So what is dividend and what is divisor? Let's see first. So here there are 18 donuts. Can you check if the donuts is 18? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 donuts in the slide. Okay. If a box can contain 6 donuts, how many boxes are needed? Okay, so we have 18 donuts and we need to put them in boxes. But how many boxes are we going to need for all these 18 donuts? Let's find out. So after the donuts are put into the first box, after 6 donuts are page 144. 144.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, after putting the 6 donuts in the first box, we still have 12 donuts left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are still 12 donuts remaining. Okay, so if we put another 6 donuts inside a box, we will still have remaining 6 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is in page 144. Thank you for answering, Earth and someone in a timing. Okay, so we still have 6 donuts. And of course, we're going to put them also in a box. So here, how many boxes did we have? How many boxes did we have altogether? Sin, how many boxes of donuts? How many boxes of donuts did we have? Kaupan, how many boxes of donuts are here? How many boxes? Box.
3.
3, very good. There are 3 boxes of donuts in the picture. Therefore, okay, 18 donuts can be put into 3 boxes of 6 donuts each. This can be written in the form of division number sentence as 18 divided by 6 equals 18 divided by 6 equals
3.
3, very good, Kaupan. Okay, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Okay, it's okay, Pink. Pink cannot open the book, it's alright. Okay, 18 is called the dividend. Okay, the first number that we write in a division problem is called the dividend. It is usually the bigger number, especially now that you're still in grade school. We usually use the bigger number as the dividend. And the 6, the smaller number, is called the divisor. It's the number of time that we're going to cut, okay, the group of objects, or it's the number of groups that we're going to make. 3 is called the quotient. The quotient again is the answer in a division problem. The answer in a division problem or a division equation is called a quotient. So here, what is the relationship between multiplication and division? Addition and subtraction has a relationship, right? So now, multiplication and division also has a relationship. So how are we going to use multiplication for division? Okay, so here we have how many stars are there? In the left side, how many stars are there? Page 146. 146. Okay? How many stars are there in the left part of the screen? How many stars? Uh,
14.
Naman, okay, very good. 14. There are 14 stars in here. Okay, so here in figure 1, multiplication number is 2 times 7 equals 14 because there are 7 stars inside a box and then another 7 star in the second box. So 2 times 7 equals 14. However, and then the division number sentence here is 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 or 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So in the figure 2, multiplication number sentence is 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 2 equals 14 so because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 groups. Okay? Times 2 because there are 2 stars in here. There are 2 stars. So that is 7 times 2. So for the multiplication number sentence, we have 7 times 2 equals 14. And for the division number sentence, we have here, sorry, there's an error in typing. We have here 14 divided by 7 equals 2 or 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Okay, so for the division number sentence, we have here 14 divided by 7 equals 2 or 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Okay, let's review the first one. We have 2 times 7 because there are 2 groups of stars. In every group, there are 7 stars. And here we have 7 times 2 because there are 7 groups and in each group, there are 2 stars. Okay? So how can we find out the relationship between multiplication and division in this problem? So this is the relationship between multiplication and division. 2 times 7 equals, naman 5, 2 times 7 equals?
14.
14, very good. Naman 15, 7 times 2 equals?
14.
14, very good. Pink, 14 divided by 2 equals? Can you answer? You're on the road, right? Okay. Rain, 14 divided by 2 equals? Rain, 14 divided by 2 equals? Okay, rain is not there. Cream, 14 divided by 2 equals?
7.
7. Very good. Gun, 14 divided by 7 equals? Oh, gun has no microphone, right? Earth, 14 divided by 7 equals?
2.
2. Okay. So we have here 3 numbers. If you can observe, we only have 3 numbers that we use again and again. The first number is 2, and then 7, and then 14. We have 2, 7, and 14. 2, 7, and 14. And 2, 7, and 14. We just interchange their position and replace the operation that we use, but we only have 3 numbers here. It is in page 146. Ayun. Okay, now how do we divide without remainders. Okay, we're going to study how to answer division without remainders. First, division with 3-digit dividend and 1-digit divisor. Okay, for example, a teacher prepares 124 sweets for her four classes equal. Page 148. 148. Okay, a teacher prepares 124 sweets for her 4 classes equally. How many sweets will each class get? So 124 divided by 4 equals. Okay, very good, Earth. Thank you for sharing the page. Okay, 124 divided by 4. Okay, the answer of the division number sentence above is the number of sweets that each class will get. Page 148. Okay, so from the figure, or since the figure is not on the screen, okay, 124 is equal to 12 tenths and 4 ones. 12 tenths and 4 ones. Give 124 sweets to 4 classes equally. So here we have 100s and 2 tenths, and we regroup them as 12 tenths. Okay? Instead of writing 100s and 2 tenths, we regroup them as 12 tenths. Okay, and then 12 tenths is divided into 4 equal groups of 3 tenths. And then 4 ones is divided into 4 equal groups of 1 ones. It's like 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So that is in the place value of tenths. And 4 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 4. Mean page 148. Mean 4 divided by 4 equals. Mean 4 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 4 equals
1.
1. Okay. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And then 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 3 tenths and 1 ones is equal to 31. If we are going to use the method of this of place value, we are going to have this kind of solution. So let's try it in 144. We're just going to answer very simple division. We're going to write the division number sentence for each problem and answer them. Okay? Okay, let's try it in it's just an example. 144, okay? A teacher has 12 pencils and she shares them with 6 students equally. How many pencils will each student get? So we have here 12 divided by 6 equals, 12 divided by 6 equals,
What?
12 divided by 6 equals,
Equals 6. 12 equals 6.
nope. Very good, Earth. 2. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Okay? So we're just going to write the number sentence. Okay, that's 2. Okay.
2.
Okay, number 1. Number 1, there are 48 roses. How many bouquets of 8 roses can be made? Okay, 48 divided by 8 equals?
6.
Teacher, very good. Page 144. Me, don't flood the messenger. Don't flood it by 6. Stop sending it again and again. Page 144.
Thank you. หาร8เท่ากับต้องเปลี่ยน
Thank you, Earth.
ดึงออกไปดึงออกไป
Finish your number 1.
โอ้ยขอบคุณนายยังอ่ะมาแล้วปล่อยยังมา
Okay, number 2.
No finish teacher
Okay, take your time.
8 1 8 1 6 8 2 4 8 4 อันนี้เลยแต่50แต่6แล้วก็6 โอเค finish hello hi teacher hi teacher
Yes.
finish teacher finish
Yes, Kapun.
finish teacher
Okay, number 2.
ข้าวปุ้น finish แต่ข้าวปุ้น no finish แล้ว
Okay, number 2. Very good. Okay. There are 25 students. How many groups of 5 students can be formed? So we have here 25. Quiet first.
Page.
Listen first to teacher before answering.
Teacher
Before
page.
answering. Page 144. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay? So you're going to write it on your book. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Come on. Finish number 2?
Finish.
Okay, next number 3. Number 3, Auntie Alice makes 48 salted box eggs. How many boxes of 6 eggs can she put them into? So we have here 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Very good, Earth. 8.
Finish.
Okay. Next, number 4. Okay, number 4. Mom. Wow, very good, Earth. Let's listen to teacher first. Mom makes 56 pastries. How many bags of 8 pastries can she put them into? So we have 56 divided by 8 equals, what's the answer again? 7. Very good, Earth. Okay, good job. Good job.
Finish.
Okay, let's go to number 5.
Let's go.
Okay, number 5. It's in page 147. 147, number 1. Okay, ready? Ready now? Okay, number 1. So we have here numbers 5, 7, and 35. So we're going to find out their relationship. So we only have 3 numbers.
5 plus 7 equals 35.แล้วก็
Okay, very good. We're just going to use 3 numbers and we're going to use 2 operations, okay? The multiplication and the division. We can interchange them. So like Kaupan said, 5 times 7 equals 35. And also we can write 7 times 5 equals 35. That's for multiplication. And for the division,
Teacher page.
okay, good job. Page 147. For the division, we have 35 divided by 5 equals 7, or 35 divided by 7 equals 5.
Finish.
Wow, very fast. Good job.
Teacher page.
147. Is everybody finished?
Finish.
Okay, I think everybody's finished. Let's go to number 2.
No finish. ก็1ก็2ก็3
Okay, let's take
No finish.
Finish teacher.
Mean. Very good, Earth. Okay, let's go to number 2.
Teacher no finish.
Okay, take your time.
Teacher no finish. Finish.
Okay, let's continue now to number 2. For the number 2, we have not finished in number 1.
Finish. แล้วก็7
Okay, number 2. We have the numbers 7, 9, and 63. So we're just going to use them in 2 operations. Okay. So what number sentences can we make? We can write 7 times 9 equals 63 and 9 times 7 equals 63 for the multiplication. And for the division, we have 63 divided by 7 equals 9. And what's the next answer? What is the missing answer? You can find it out on your own, okay?
Teacher Philip อ๋อ
Good
อันนี้
job.
คือโฮมเวิร์กนี่ทีเชอร์
No, you're going to do it you're going to do it on your own.
อันนี้คือทำที่บ้าน
You're going to do it now, but you're going to do it
เวิร์กไม่มันต้อง63หาร7ได้เท่ากับ9มันก็ได้เหมือนกันอยากได้โฮมเวิร์กมีโฮมเวิร์กไหมโอ้ย
ไม่อยากได้
คุณครูยังได้
Yes, you're going to have homework, I
ช
guess.
อบวิชาคณิตแต่คณิตวิชาภาษาอังกฤษไม่ชอบ ชอบวิชาภาษาไทยที่เป็นคณิต
อะไรอ่ะ
ไม่ชอบ
การ์ตูนมากก
Are
ว่า
you finished with this? Finish, everybody?
โนฟินี่
Okay, for your homework. For your
อ๋อเอา9ขึ้น9 9 9 9 9 9 2 9 9 1 9 9 2 7 8 9 3 7 9 4 3 6 9 5 9 6 5 4 9 7 6 3
Finish?
ที่พวกทำไม่กินมันถูกหรือว่าที่
Finish number 2?
ไม่ใช่เลข7เป็นเลข9
Is everybody finishing number 2?
แต่เพื่อนไปเขียนเป็นเลขเขาป้านปิดไหม
นิด
Finish mean? Not yet.
ฟินิทีเชอ
ฟิ
ร์
นิต
Okay.
ดูฟินิข้อช่อง
So-
ว่างด้วย
For your homework.
You know homework
Hmm.
You ไม่อยากเอา homework เอา homework ที่ไม่เอาซินพูดอย่างนี้ได้ยังไง No homework เอา
For your homework, send the picture of the following pages in your line group. 144, 145, and 147.
เอานาเดียวไม่เอา
After
สอง
writing
นา
the homework, you may say
โอ้ยน่า
goodbye to
เรียน
your
ไป
friends. Today we quiet first.
สี่หนึ่ง
Today we studied division.
ไม่จริงกระดาษ
No,เรียนที่เฉยพี่เดี๋ยวเรามาทำกันบ้านโฮมเวิร์กที่ไม่ได้พูด
Okay, today
ห้ามใช้
Today we learned the relationship of we learned division and the relationship of multiplication and division. Okay? So after writing this, you may say goodbye to your friends. So I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance today, and I also hope that you enjoyed this class. Okay.
พี่พิมอยากได้
Bye everybody.
บายบายบาย
Bye.
บายอะไร
ทำไมมันจะกัน
มีนอยู่ก่อนมีนอยู่ก่อนมีน
เอ
อยู่
อ
ก่อน
เขาจะอยู่กับปั้นนี่แหละ แต่ว่าห้ามใช้เครื่องคิดเลขเด็ดขาด
พี่เชื่อออกได้เลยครับ ออกได้เลยครับ ออกได้เลย ออกได้เลย4 5 4
Yes, yes, yes.
พี่เชื่อออก
เอาใส่ที่ชื่อเอาใส่Google Meet
พี่เชื่อยกเลิกการ
ที่ชื่อเอาใส่
มันจัดการบ้านก่อนแป๊บนึงหยุดจัดการบ้าน
โอ้